BigCommerce Affiliate Program Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to this BigCommerce Affiliate Program Review. If you're considering joining and earning commissions by promoting BigCommerce, check out the links in the description below. Let's get straight to it. BigCommerce is one of the leading e-commerce platforms designed for businesses of all sizes. It offers powerful store customization, built-in SEO tools, multi-channel selling, and robust scalability, making it an ideal choice for entrepreneurs, small businesses, and enterprises looking for a reliable e-commerce solution. Unlike Shopify, BigCommerce focuses on flexibility and lower transaction fees, making it a strong competitor in the industry. Now, let's talk about the BigCommerce Affiliate Program. It's one of the highest paying affiliate programs in the e-commerce space, offering up to $1,500 per enterprise referral, or 200% of the first month's payment for standard plans. This means you can earn big commissions just by referring businesses to the platform. One of the biggest advantages of this program is the long 90-day cookie duration, which gives you a higher chance of earning commissions if someone signs up after clicking your link, even weeks later. Plus, BigCommerce is a high-converting product since it offers a 15-day free trial, allowing users to test the platform before committing. Who is this program best suited for? Bloggers, digital marketers, web developers, agencies, and content creators who target business owners, startups, or online entrepreneurs. If your audience is looking for a reliable e-commerce platform, this is an excellent affiliate program to promote. BigCommerce also provides dedicated affiliate support, marketing materials, banners, and tracking tools, making it easy to optimize your performance. The payouts are reliable, and since BigCommerce caters to growing businesses, you have a good chance of earning recurring high commissions. Overall, the BigCommerce affiliate program is a great choice if you want to earn high commissions in the e-commerce niche. With one of the highest commission rates, a long cookie duration, and a high-converting platform, it's a solid affiliate opportunity. If you're interested, check out the link in the description to sign up and start earning. Thanks for watching.